Very good.
Take 2. Okay, what's up guys? Today I will be showing you some tips in Roblox Rivals that you guys can use to probably become better at the game. So hit that like and subscribe button before we get inside the video, and just enjoy the video now. So first we're gonna start off with the energy stuff. I know I already explained this in one video, so you guys probably will not care as hell, but yeah. The first thing I already explained in my other video. I'll probably be putting a card like right here. Oh, I can't even show it. Like, just look for the card. I'll be putting it in the video, and I'll actually explain the video now. The video was if the energy bundle was worth it. I still do not know if this was worth it. Wait, what? Actually, it's worth it. But the first thing we're gonna do is when the round start, got him. And the next thing is actually doing a 360. I'm pretty sure. I don't know why. Just joking. Do not do a 360. The first thing is put your crosshair on the head so that that's how you headshot. You have to put your crosshair on the head. You don't need to just do. And you don't need to just do this. Yeah, it's not cool. Or you can just do that. Or just this. Yeah. Yeah, I don't understand why do people just I do not understand. There's no point. You can just. Wow, that was so hard. I needed to totally just do. I told you. Why do I put the sound? And here's a tip for the knife. If you guys really want to do this, no, not like that. Do this. All you have to do is just do this. Lead them and then boom. Lead them and then boom. Patay. Patay in English means dead. And here's a tip for the RPG. I know many of you guys probably will be using RPG, so really all you have to do, and people think that RPGs like nerf so hard, but all you have to do is just that. What? So this whole entire time I thought RPG was no one shot anymore, but then it's literally one shot, and then I could just be doing this and then putting my crosshair on the head. Boom, they're just dead. Or just do this and they would already be dead. So we just been wasting our time thinking that there was no one-shot RPG. But there's a one-shot RPG. The whole entire time we thought there was no one-shot RPG. But there was a stupid one-shot RPG. And by the way, I almost have golden. Oh my gosh! I almost have
oh my god.
RPG. So this will be useful for me to get my gold RPG. Holy smokes, I didn't even realize. And the next thing is, this is actually a pro tip. It probably will help you out in the entire universe for your entire life in Rivals. This will blow your mind. But I see many people just medkitting by clicking left click. If you guys don't know what left click is, it's basically mouse 1. I see so many people full medkit, but even though you can just click mouse 2 and then instant medkit, why? What's your problem? Why do you have to full medkit? You're basically wasting your time because it takes you a lot of seconds to just full medkit. Probably 57. Shut up. So I don't know. That face. Okay, so I don't know why do people just do Full Metal Kids. So that's just a thing. The next thing is do not be. And the next thing I'll show you this. Look. People are probably saying, many YouTubers actually just do this, do a 360 and then headshot to make a trick shot. Why am I not headshotting this dude? Huh? So, I don't know why do you have to literally do a trick shot when you can just snipe them. What's the problem with you guys? Have you guys gone mad? I feel like they have gone mad because of the snipers just way too OP and easy to do. But but really, if the sniper is hard for you, you can just buy something just for 20, and you don't even need to scope. The weapon I'm talking about is a crossbow. I realized it was good. When it came, I didn't know it was good. But then I just realized you can literally headshot by no scoping. You don't need to scope. You're just basically wasting your time, just like this. But if you are very far away, I guess you could scope. But if the person is in the air, you can just shoot them. It's okay if you hit 50, you just need to hit them 50 again and then a headshot. Or just 350. Just like this. One ammo, 2 ammo, 3 ammo. Because 3.5 is 15. Add the 0, it's 150. Easy math right there. Easy. I could literally do that a lot. But for another one is actually, I just see so many. I'm not talking about some bad beginners. I'm just talking about that when you can't pay to win instantly when you just join the game or play the game, because you might not know the mechanic. So then I just see people just thinking that they can just flame over me when they're like this far, and it just doesn't work. So and then I'm like, I saw one video. One of his friends actually just did this. I mean, who does that? They did that when they could just, yeah, or they can just. I mean, did you see that? And also, don't mind my crosshair. It's a new crosshair. I just used a new crosshair. So yeah, and the next tip, and the next tip is you don't need a good crosshair. All you need is just aim, just like this. I hit almost every shot, and also auto shoot. But I mean not auto shoot. Okay, I guess next one. The reload. So I'm pretty sure someone already explained. Let's say run 8 ammo and then we shoot. That reload is gonna take too long, so I'm gonna make it easy for you to learn. So basically, when we run out of ammo, all you have to do is just skip. No, don't skip the first one. Skip the second one. Boom. Because the second one is just wasting your time. I see many people just doing this, waiting for both of them to be done. But really, you don't need to wait. All you have to do is just wait for the reload thing, and then you're just done. And then you just can skip the clock thing, because that absolutely means nothing. This is how fast I reload when I'm not using the trick. Yep. This is how fast I reload when I'm using the trick. See that? That was That was just little seconds, like 20 seconds. Well, it would have been taking me 40 seconds to finish. Why would I do 40 seconds when I can just do 20 seconds? I do not understand why. Well, I guess some of you guys don't know about this, so that's why I'm making this video, so that you guys know some other stuff. Okay, I'm sorry, I just got hit in the eye. The next thing is the very good. This is gonna be a very good one. It's about boosting. So you can use the RPG, grenade launcher, bow, but any primary that you can boost, any secondary, but the thing you want is the melee is a fist and utility grenade. The first thing, shoot RPG, quick melee and double jump, and then you can just do this like that. Very nice. And also you can just use fist to eliminate them also with the one shot. You can also use travel if you guys don't have fist. I don't know how do you not have fist. Basically the newbiest weapon in the game, and you just get it. And the next thing is triple jump. You're gonna need the same thing but the bow. No other boosting primary. First you hold out the grenade, do this, double jump with the bow and double jump with the fist. That was quite wrong. I didn't actually time it right. Again. So what you do is hold out your grenade. You can step. That's not how you hold out your grenade. Rivals, please let me do my stuff when I'm trying to do it. And then you go up, double jump with the bow and double jump with the fist. Triple jump, what they call it. It should be like double jump with the bow, double jump with the fist, and then a grenade. That's basically quad. No, maniac. What? I'm just trying to see something that would go with like thing. And another important thing you guys should know is always to remember, like, to take off some reduce lag thing, just like this one. Hold up. You don't really need to click the settings, take off the shadows. The shadows don't mean anything. The only thing that means is the textures, because the textures actually make it so beautiful. So you don't need the shadows. The next thing is, I see so many people just buying the new stuff when you can literally just go inside free for all and go inside 1v1 with your friend, 2v2s with your friends, and just win 2 times each day and play 5 times, so you can just win 5 times each day and then eliminate 15 in free for all. But you already will be done with the eliminations once you do 5. So I do not understand. So you can just get some cheese with your friends, and basically you literally already have the new weapons after just 1 week of playing the rivals, or even 1 week or in 1 day probably. And I don't know why do people just love I don't know why do people RP. You guys don't know what RP means? It's role play in Rivals. When Rivals is actually a shooting game. I loved it when there was no role play, because role playing is basically you should just do it in Brookhaven. In Brookhaven, the only thing to do is role play. In Rivals, we are supposed to do this. And there's a battle change I want to talk about. All you have to do is just shoot. You do not have to be cutting those fruits. You do not have to be just doing this, cutting your fruits and thinking that you're in Brookhaven. You are not in Brookhaven. I must assist you. You are not in Brookhaven. You are in Rivals. Okay. Another. So just don't roleplay. It's just wasting your time. And you have so much time to spare just to play Rivals and grind. Yeah. So, and then the next one is damage drop off. Let's see how much one. Hold up. Let's make my assault rifle 1 bullet. And then shoot this. 14. 14. How about we go farther? Yeah, we're gonna go farther. Okay. Let's see how far. Once we go this distance, how much are we gonna get? How much? 11. 11. This is a shooting game right now. I do not understand why you need to give. Why do you need to torture us? Torturing us. Because we literally want to shoot. Many of you guys want to shoot. We do not want to literally just be sitting there meleeing for our entire lives. The whole point of the game is to shoot, right? And shooting is from range. If it's not from range, then you're gonna be instantly dead. Like literally, like this. If you're not in the range, all you have to do is just, and you're dead. You're dead. That's from afar. How about from not far? Let's just do 2 bullets. How much was that? 16. Up there was 14. Up there was 11. Up there was 12. I do not understand Rivals. Sometimes I just wish I didn't find Rivals. But I found Rivals. I mean, it's still a fun game, I guess you could say. Okay, now to the big tips. I see many free-to-play players and they have every single basic weapon that costs very cheap, like the sniper, like the Molotov, like these weapons that are not yellow. I see so many people doing this, trying to think, wasting their time, even though they can just pick random anything, but the primary can be something you want. But you're just wasting your time when you can just see. I could just be doing this to you while you're just picking. And next round you have your stuff, but then you realize that why do you why do I have 1 win? Because you were so far away, so I got 1 win. See from afar how much damage drop off. 8! And that was a headshot. 8. 6. That was not a headshot, and it was 6. So you have to go this far to get 8 and 6. How about this far? I'm gonna be tortured. Literally gonna be tortured. How much was that? Come on, tell me how much. 14 for 2 shots. Wait, hold up. Let's do 1 more shot. Let's do 1 shot. Let's pretend we're shooting someone. .4, and I was right there, and now I'm here and I have 8.4. What is the matter? I don't even understand anymore. I don't understand if damage drop off is good. And one more, the last tip is to always is for another knife tip, but you need flamethrower or something, or just a shooting weapon. But you need a knife, but you need this loadout if you have it. It can be any shooting thing, but I would prefer first freeze ray them, and then do not do it like that. Try again. What you do is first you freeze ray them, go behind them. What the? It did. I'm not even joking. One more try. Supposed to do is just do that. Oh my gosh. This is what I totally love about rivals, when I'm not even that far from them, and when I'm so far from them. Like that. First you burn them when they're done, when they're freezing, when they're frozen. You just burn them and then backstab them. Because when they take damage, they're unfrozen, so then you can just backstab them just like this. Watch this. I could have been doing this for my knife video. I could just have been doing that for my knife video, instead of going through the pain of going two servers. I could have just been doing that instead of doing that. But that's it for the video. Just joking. One last bonus tip. Always hit that like and subscribe button and turn on notifications so that you can get your, and comment down below anything that you want. I might pin it. So you guys probably don't know, I don't pin that much, but I will be pinning a lot sometimes. So hit that like and subscribe button so that you will be pinned. So peace out. I hope you enjoyed your day watching this video, because it was amazing with you guys. Peace out.